Now, one quirk that BMWs have is they cold start every single time, regardless of how warm the engine is. Now, I have the full M Performance package, including the M Performance exhaust, on the M240i. So let's show you a cold start and then some revs in Comfort and Sports Plus. Now, this car is completely stock. The only difference to a normal M240 is the M Performance back box. Now, considering that is completely stock with just an optional extra is pretty mental, but I cannot wait to unrestrict this exhaust because that is going to sound insane.